Did you know most furniture holds more bacteria than your toilet seat? Wiping it down or spraying it doesn't actually clean it, because what's inside your fabric is what causes the odors and that not so clean feeling. So if your furniture smells, feels worn, or never really feels fresh, there's usually a buildup sitting below the surface. And we're gonna show you why that happens and how it's actually removed the right way. Upholstery doesn't just get dirty on the outside. It absorbs everything. Body oils, dust, spills, head accidents, and over time, it builds up and settles into the fabric and padding. And odors don't stay on the surface. They sink in. That's why surface cleaning doesn't fix the problem. Here's what actually needs to happen if it's done right. First, we identify the material so we don't damage it. Then we use the right cleaning methods for that fabric to remove the buildup without oversaturating your cushions. Next is extraction. This is what pulls out what's trapped inside the fabric, not just what's sitting on top. Then we address the odor, because this is where most people get frustrated. Masking it does not work. We locate the source and neutralize it, not just cover it up. This is where a lot of furniture cleaning goes wrong. Too much moisture or surface cleaning only. We focused on controlled cleaning, proper extraction, and complete drying. No shortcuts, no masking. You will notice a difference right away. Cleaner fabric, better appearance, but most importantly, the odor is gone. The space feels fresh again, and when it's done right, it stays that way. If your furniture or home has odors that won't go away, start identifying the source. We will take a look, explain what's happening, and show you what actually needs to be done. No pressure, just clear answers. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to keep your home clean.